Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing your data, make a time machine backup now and confirm it works, because deleting Safari touches system files. Next, check about this Mac for your Mac OS version and make sure you have an administrator account. Once done, restart into recovery by holding Command-R so you can inspect and, if necessary, modify System Integrity Protection. This prepares the environment. Make sure you're comfortable using terminal commands before proceeding to modify protected apps. Once in recovery, open Terminal and check SIP with csrootle status. If enabled, run csrootle disable then reboot. You return to normal mode and open Terminal there. Use sudo rm ref/applications/safari. App to remove the main bundle. This is permanent, so type carefully. After that, delete related folders in ~library and /library such as Safari, Caches, and Com. Apple. Safari list files to avoid leftover settings. These steps remove executable and support files. You finish by returning to recovery to run csrootle enable, so system integrity protection is restored. Reboot and verify Safari is gone via Spotlight and Finder. If you need Safari later, reinstall Mac OS over the current install or restore the app from your time machine backup. That preserves system integrity. Troubleshooting tip. If Safari reappears or the system blocks deletion, recheck SIP status and use recovery reinstall. Do not repeatedly force delete protected files because that can destabilize the system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.